What's up, Fireflies? It's your girl Kayla, and I'm back with another video. You're here, so you're gonna introduce yourself. You're on my page now, so introduce yourself.
What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, NeonMUA, and I am back for another video, joined by this person. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Juvia's Place Festival Collection. This collection just launched recently. It includes a eyeshadow palette as well as a liquid lipstick kit formula situation. So yeah, I'm going to be trying out both of those products today. I'm excited because, as you know, I love Juvia's Place. So this is going to be fun. This is going to be great. This is going to be exciting. As always, you guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumb up, like, and support. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Also, you guys, I'm doing a giveaway on all 7 of the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Hello Halo highlighters. To enter that giveaway, make sure you check out my last video for all the details, as well at the end of this video and in the description below. There's going to be, listen, if you can't enter this giveaway, I don't know how, because there's a bunch of details everywhere, but yes, don't forget I'm doing that giveaway as well. And without further ado, we're going to get right into this review, first impressions of the new festival collection from Juvia's Place. Let's go. Alright, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Juvia's Place Festival Collection. This just recently came out, and as you know, I am a stan of Juvia's Place. Insert clips here. This next entry should be no surprise to you. I mean, come on. Everything's going to come out of the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. So what are my final thoughts on the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place? I think this is an amazing palette in terms of eyeshadow quality, in terms of the pigment, in terms of blendability. A1. The color I'm going to take is going to be from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Again, black owned, super pigmented, super affordable. Why not? Alright, you guys, so on the Juvia's Place website, the festival collection comes with an eyeshadow palette as well as 2 new liquid lipsticks. These are the first liquid lipsticks from Juvia's Place, so I'm excited about trying these out. And of course, I love Juvia's Place's palettes, so that's going to be fun as always. Starting off with the festival eyeshadow palette. This palette comes with 9 eyeshadows, which seems to be Juvia's Place's standard. It is very warm tone. That seems to be something that Juvia's Place has done a lot, and a lot of people have been wanting some cool tone palettes, so hopefully there will be some in the future. But this is a warm tone palette. Right off the bat, this palette does remind me of a certain company who shall remain nameless on my channel, but this reminds me of a certain palette that came out a few years ago, and I don't support that brand, so it's nice to see another palette that I can use that resembles that one. So yeah.
Shade. Oh god.
The shade. Oh, the shade. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to start off with a couple of swatches for you guys. Alright, you guys, I brought you in a little bit so you can see the eyes more. We're going to start. This look is going to be very graphic art-like, very intense. I just want to get the full use of color out of this as I can. So we're going to start with this color here at the bottom called Kiliki. And I'm actually going to take that and I'm going to put that right above my crease area. And as always, this palette, just like all the other Juvia's Place palettes, are super pigmented. So much color. So that's down. As you can see, it's giving my eye some shape, but it is a metallic shade, so there's definitely some shine to it. It's all gonna make sense later. Before I blend that color out, however, I want to go in with another crease brush. And I'm going to take the color Abba, which is this metallic blue. And I'm putting that right above that black, but still in the crease. Alright, next I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to start blending that black up into that blue. To blend it down, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the upper part of the eye while I'm here. So from that palette, I'm going to take the color Yuli, which is that frosty white color, and I'm going to put that right in that little part of my brow bone. So tuck it right in here. I am going to now go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to do a cut crease with this. And this is going to be a full cut crease, so this is going to go from the inner eye up into the outer eye. Next, I'm going to take this pink color called Eerie G. And I'm going to create this like illusion liner. It sounds weird, but what I'm going to do is just take this color, pack that on the lid close to my lash line. Ooh, this looks good. And I'm going to bring that up in the shape of a liner. So it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but just make sure you're keeping it close to the lash line as possible. And then go up in that liner shape. Because we're going to clean this up later, so like I said, don't worry about it being perfect. So there's the pink. What I'm going to do is shape up that line at the bottom. So I'm just taking some more concealer, and we're going to take it up and carve out that line. Boom! So there you have it. The top line is done. What I'm going to do now is throw on some lashes, under eyeliner. I'm going to finish up the eyes. So be right back. Alright you guys, the look is almost done. Next what I'm going to do is take the color Oro, which is this goldenrod yellow color. I'm actually going to take that and I'm going to create sort of a graphic underline. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I want to start here and just kind of smudge and sweep it up. And then take it right under my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is take the NYX Glam liner in the color Glam 24 karat. I'm going to take that and I want to just run it in that same area. And then before it dries down completely, going back on that smudge brush and take that color Oro and just smudge it a little bit more. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh. That's pretty. That's so pretty. Look at it. Ooh. Oh, oh. Oh yes. I've done it. Alright, to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to take this small detail brush and I'm going to take the color, oh my god, this color here, that color, and it's like a champagne color. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner, run that a little bit into that gold line that we did earlier. Alright you guys, the eye look is done. What do I think about the Festival Eyeshadow Palette? I mean, I'm never disappointed by Juvia's Place shadows. Super impactful colors. The mattes, although I feel like are a tad bit more drier than past palettes, they still perform just as well. The metallics and the duochromes are just as good. So this palette is a bot for me. As always, I will be using it a lot. Like I said, it reminds me of another palette that I had to replace because of some circumstances. But regardless, I'm happy to have this palette. It is an exciting palette full of colors and things to play with. So the Festival palette is a bot. Before I get into the lip products from the Festival collection, I also picked up the two Juvia's Place Saharan blush palettes, volume 1 and 2. Going to just do some blush and highlighting with these palettes. Each of these palettes have 6 shades in them. The chrome colors are the highlights and the mattes are the blushes, obviously. So with the Saharan palette, this palette is more of like your deeper color tones, like your deep fuchsias, your browns. This palette seems like it could do more for someone with deeper complexion skin. I'm actually excited about these two colors because I feel like they could be great for contouring and bronzing. So this palette definitely seems like it's more versatile than the other. Now, this palette, the Saharan 2 blush palette, runs a little bit more for fairer skin. However, this is a beautiful palette, especially the highlighting colors right here. Oh, I know I love a good highlight. But yeah, I actually am excited about this like dusty rose color right here. What I'm going to do is take the Saharan 2 blush palette. Surprising, right? Shut up. Out of the Saharan 2 blush palette, I'm going to take this color right here called B, which is that deep dusty mauve color. I'm going to take some of that on my Japanese blush and highlighting brush, and I'm just going to pop it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, this blush is definitely one that I'm in love with. It's not too intense, because I was worried about that with the Juvia's Place palettes, because Juvia's Place's eyeshadows are very intense. So I was worried that the blush would be too intense for me, but this dusty color is great because it adds just the right amount of flush, but at the same time, it's not overbearing. I'll take a little bit of that, put it on my forehead as well. Just gonna breathe life into my face again. And for the highlight, I'm actually going to go into that palette once again, and I'm going to take this color called Zobo. Yeah, Zobo's like a rose gold. So it shifts from white gold into pink. The highlighter shades from this aren't overbearing, and I actually do like that. Like I said, with the blush, I was a little scared because of the fact that the eyeshadows from Juvia's Place are very impactful and intense. This does just what it needs to do. It blends everything. It blends seamlessly into the skin. Yeah, this is, and honestly, I feel like I could use this palette every day. I'm not one to wear a lot of blush, but I feel like this is a very everyday palette, one that I could reach for a lot. I'm excited to play with it. I'm excited to play with the Saharan blush palette as well, but I am thoroughly impressed with this. So the blush palettes are about, this video isn't necessarily about the blush palettes, but I wanted to try them out because these are the first time I've used them. To round out this video, we're going to finish up with the Juvia's Place liquid lipsticks. They came out with 2 liquid lipsticks. Both of these are matte formulas. We have this orange one called Soil. So it's like a deep clay orange. I'm excited about because the orange liquid lipsticks that I have, they don't necessarily perform the way I do, so this is great to have. And the second one from this collection is called, it's called Doo Doo, but it's spelled with a U, so Duda maybe. I'm sorry if I said it wrong, but yeah. Okay, sis. So this one is, ooh, is it black? It looks black. Okay, in the bottle, it looks like a deep brown. When it's swatched, it looks black almost. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to take the color Dodo. I'm gonna pop that on, and yeah. Oh, hold on. I'll give my comments in a second. Oh, this is, yes. Okay, it literally was one dip into this and it is fully opaque. I don't know what else to say. This is one of the best liquid lipsticks I've ever tried. Alright you guys, that is the final look. I am impressed. Like I said, the eyeshadow palette is definitely just as great as the other ones. The blush palettes are great. I was worried about them being too over the top, but they are just enough colors to the face. These liquid lips though, Jesus. The liquid lip is so opaque. It's looking at it now, it's definitely more brown than black, but it is one of the deepest browns I've ever seen. And yeah, I'm so impressed, you guys. But yeah, I'm impressed. Juvia's Place, you guys are bomb at what y'all do. Like, there's no denying it. So kudos. This is a great collection. I'm loving the look that I created. It's definitely not something that you see every day, but I love it regardless. So yeah, thank you, Juvia's Place. Alright you guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, I just need to remind you guys of the giveaway I am doing on the new Wet n Wild MegaGlo Hello Halo liquid highlighters. They just released 7 liquid highlighters in the past couple of months, and I am doing a giveaway on all 7 of them. To enter this giveaway, you only have to do 3 simple steps. One is to go and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell while you're there for notifications. Secondly, I need you guys to go over to my video reviewing the Wet n Wild Gothaholic Spring 2018 collection. Go and like that video. And for step 3, in the comments below, in that video, make sure you guys let me know the best way to contact you, whether that's on Twitter, Instagram, or what have you. This giveaway lasts 2 weeks and will end on March 15th at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you guys have less than 2 weeks to go and enter this giveaway. So yeah, like I said, that's the end of this video. As always, you guys, if you enjoyed yourself, because I enjoyed myself, you guys should go ahead and give this video a huge thumb up, just one, live. 2, as always you guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, like and support this video. It means so much to me, I promise you it does. Also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos. I upload videos roughly twice a week, so you want to make sure you hit the bell in case the next one comes and you don't see it. Because I want to see you next time. Hopefully you can see me. We can be here together. Come on, mix and mingle. Also make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Lionheart555 on Snapchat, as well as NeonMUA on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Vero. It's all NeonMUA. Alright you guys, that'll do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. What are you looking at? Oh. How do I look?
Like a woman.
You don't look like a woman? You feel like a woman. Feel like a woman.
Stop blocking my ears. How?
Get up. Stop being soft. Oh my gosh, she gonna get us killed. She gonna get us killed.
Oh yes. Oh yes. This is cute. Ugh.